Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Flair employee account. To do so, follow some simple steps, which I'm going to show you. Firstly, open your web browser and search for FL Employee Login. You can see the interface here. Click on the second option, Employee HFL, or you can type in HFFR. It will take you to the login page for FL Inlo account. Over here, it asks for the email address of your account. Enter your email address and password of that account. In case if you guys forgot your password, you can reset it by clicking here, Forgot Password. And once you do that, click on the Sign In button. You should be able to log into your Flair employee account. So, that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for the latest videos. And do not forget to comment down below for your reviews. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you, guys, for watching.